Welcome back to Fender Fun Time. This is some Fender Fun, and so this week or whatever, we're gonna put that in there. So the thing with that is I kind of want to put this, I want to at least tack this in while the original one is still there, because my new one could be anywhere. So we put this on so that it fits the original, and then we chop the original off and put the new one in. This one will already be right. So see, as usual, I've left myself a bit on the generous side here, so yeah, it's not terrible. Maybe we'll just whistle it in like that. Just gonna very slightly fit it there. Okay, so the idea is to tack this on, then cut this out of the way, then install the new one of these, and then, anyway, whatever, we'll figure it out. The thing is though, once this is on, it's very hard to cut this out of there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it here and here, so that once this is on, all I got to do is run across the back. Sneaky! This should leave me enough material that this will stay more or less where it is. All that matters to me is this edge here, because then it'll fit the door. Okay. Not going to do better than that so far. Okay. Tidy this up. And then you're good. Okay, that's good enough. I'm going to flip this over, cut the rest of this guy out, and then we will finish the weld here. Hey, thanks for following along on another Patching Up Fenders video. We were joking this summer how if I had to describe my life in one photograph, this would pretty much be it. Man, the number of back fender corners I must have made over the years, probably a lot. So, where did we leave off on Miles's fender? Oh, we had the inner piece made. Right, that's where we left off. That goes inside like this. Right, so anyway, we decided what we would do. We would cut that guy off weld a new one of these in, and then we'll put this in when I get over to Miles's house, and we'll mount it, everything up on the car, and then we'll weld these, because this can go anywhere. You can go there, you know, whatever makes it fit best on the car. So why not just do it there? So the new piece will get drilled accordingly, and when we probably actually bolt this end of it to the car, lay the fender down over top, and mark where they overlap, and then hit it that way. Or something. Maybe I'll just whistle it up. What we get done is the bottom piece there. So that's done, and it came out not bad. You can't really do a very nice job because the post comes down in here, or the brace, so unfortunately some of this weld is just, it's right underneath the flange, and it's just not worth wrecking the whole car to get that. The rest of it looks pretty good. I can get at it. I did go back in. Once I was done welding it, I just went inside and kind of stretched it all back out to kind of match the original shape of the car. So you can see a lot of hammer marks on there, but actually looks pretty good. So next time we see this, I'll slide this guy in there and we'll weld it to the car. And the rest of this fender is pretty good. A couple little dents, and that's about it. Miles has been taking the old paint jobs off, and he didn't have time, so my niece was taking the old paint jobs off. A couple old paint jobs, but not too many, you know. Right, so anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll certainly haven't seen our last fender repair if you missed this one. Found another kind of crappy old repair on the SM here. Let's have a look. I'm not getting really involved on the SM at this point because we've got to get Laura's car done first, and I've got a lot of other stuff. Nevertheless, we're getting kind of ahead of the game with some, like, starting to remove the paint jobs, and actually pretty well, nothing I didn't expect. This wasn't as bad as I feared it might be, but kind of that's actually how they left it and filled it, so not very good. And we can see, you know, that's still in almost half an inch there. Got pretty dusty in here grinding all that out. And then we've got a whole bunch of rust here, the inner and outer quarter panel. So over the next 12 months, we've got bottomless rust repair. Do you think we're ever going to run out of rust repair around here? It's not going to happen. This is what happens when you don't just buy a good one. Anyway, we'll see everybody very soon. Next patient, hey?
Next in line.
How bad is this one? No, well, the other one didn't look bad either, I guess. So.
No, but this one doesn't have holes on the backside.
It'd be nice if we didn't have to build that. Yeah, that's good enough, man.
Right?
Right?
We clean that up on the inside and
We'll clean that up and
put something on it, I guess. To
patchy that
protect it.
in there, and good enough, yeah.
Good enough.
The rest of it's nice. These are nice fenders for sure.
Right?
Yeah, right on.
One good thing on the car.
Yeah, those are really
That's
nice.
gonna shit the bed.
There's the repaired one.
Well, that just looks sanded, not repaired.
Yeah.
I can go with it. And take this with you. Clean that up. And where's the old brace here? We'll need that too, because we're going to use the bottom from this. So take all those with you. And when the thing is, I didn't weld it here, and I didn't put the brace in because all this can move right now. See, I don't want to put it there and then it should be here, because that a little bit here makes a huge difference there. So we're going to bolt it all to the car, then weld it.
That's smart.
Okay,
Sounds like it worked.
one less thing on the list. This is a regular
Same
contributor.
old shit.